Hi, parents and children. Welcome to Joyous E-Class. I am teacher Yvonne. How are you today? Good. Have you prepared your learning box? Yes? Good job. Do you know what we're going to do today? Yes. Are you ready to go for the next session? Yes. Let's go.
Hello children, welcome back. I'm Teacher Ong. Today we're going to do the sorting. Do you know what is sorting? We have few pictures here. We just put the same picture in the same columns. This is called sorting. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Let's check for the picture. The first one is a digger. A digger. And the second one is a bulldozer. Bulldozer. And the third one is a dump truck. Dump truck. Okay, let's do the sorting. We start from the first picture. What is this? This is a digger. Correct. Please tap the picture and put under the digger. Let's try for the next one. What is this? This is a dump truck. Where should we put the dump truck? Is it here? No. This is the column for the bulldozer. Is it here? Yes. This is the column for the dump truck. Tap the picture and paste over here. Good try. Next one. What is this? This is a digger. Please find the digger. Where's the digger? Is this one, or this one? It's the first one. So we tap the picture and put inside the box. Okay, next one. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is the dump truck. So we put under the column of the dump truck. Tap the picture and put here. Okay. Next one. What is this? This is a bulldozer. Which one is the bulldozer? Yes, it's the second one. Tap the picture and put under the column of bulldozer. Very good. Next one. This is a bulldozer too. So we tap the picture and put under here. Next one. Again. It is a bulldozer. So we just take it and put. Can we put here? No. This is the column for dump truck. So we must put under the column of bulldozer. So we put here. Good. Next one. What is this? This is a digger. Tap the picture and paste under the column of digger. The last one. This is the dump truck. Yes. Wow. Well done, children. We complete the sorting. Can we repeat again the vehicle here? This is the digger. Digger. This is the bulldozer. Bulldozer. And the last one is dump truck. Dump truck. Well done. Thank you, everyone. See you all on next lesson. Bye-bye.
Did you enjoy the lesson of today?
Yes.
What have we learned? We learned
Physical sorting. Digger. Dump truck. Bulldozer.
Awesome! You did a great job of today. We shall see you on next lesson. Bye!